Meaning of decision-making.
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 Decision-making. Decision-making refers to the process of selecting the best course of action among different available alternatives. The result of effective decision-making is an optimal choice based on careful consideration of all relevant factors. It involves identifying the problem, gathering information, analyzing options, and choosing the most appropriate solution. In today's complex and rapidly changing environment, decision-making skills are essential for individuals and organizations to navigate challenges, solve problems, and achieve success. Therefore, mastering the art of decision-making is critical for anyone who wants to succeed in their personal and professional life.